हाय, आई एम जीवन कुंभार फ्रॉम महाराष्ट्र कोल्हापुर। और मैं कोल्हापुर से मैंने जर्नी स्टार्ट की है। कोल्हापुर में मैं कला मंदिर महाविद्यालय में मेरी डिग्री कंप्लीट की है और मेरा बैचलर्स अभी शुरू है फ्रॉम सोलापुर। और मैंने मेरी यंगर सिस्टर ओबी को मॉडल रख के मैंने ये पोर्ट्रेट बनाया है। और पोर्ट्रेट में ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा इसके इमोशंस, स्माइल, इनोसेंस, ये सब मैंने कैप्चर करने की कोशिश की है। और ये मैंने क्ले वर्क अभी रिसेंटली 2 मंथ्स पहले ही बनाया है। और यंगर सिस्टर्स के इमोशंस मुझे दिखाने थे, जो वो उसकी जो स्माइल है, उसके इनोसेंस है, वो सब दिखाने की मैंने पूरी कोशिश की है। और ये मटेरियल फाइबर है और मैं फाइबर, मेटल, वुड, स्टोन, क्ले, सभी मटेरियल में काम करता हूँ। एंड दिस वन इज़ माय फ्रेंड सौरभ खाड़ी। ही इज़ माय स्कूल कॉलेज फ्रेंड। और कॉलेज टाइम में मैंने इसका पोर्ट्रेट बनाया था फॉर एग्जीबिशन स्टेट आर्ट के लिए। ये भी मटेरियल फाइबर का ही है और ये मेरा बहुत अच्छा दोस्त है। थोड़ा गुस्से, थोड़ा एंग्री है, इसलिए इसके भी इमोशंस दिखाना थोड़ा मुश्किल था, लेकिन मैंने बना दिया। उसको भी बहुत खुशी हुई देखकर। कैरेक्टर पकड़ना इतना आसान नहीं होता, लेकिन मैंने कोशिश पूरी की थी। और ये 2 स्कल्पचर है और मैं म्यूरल और मेटल, फाइबर, स्टोन, वुड कार्विंग, ये सब स्कल्पचर रेडी करता हूँ, तैयार करता हूँ।
Abhinand Kishore. I am a researcher and an artist. Actually, I started my drawing in the early childhood, but I haven't got the much appreciation that I desired. So I quit my art drawing in my high school, and then only after undergraduation that I started my drawing. And basically, these are the drawings that came out of my confusions. Basically, these are all personal drawings for me. The confusions that I have with the language, with the text, the problem with the binary. So I try to draw beyond binary. So basically, I draw more than what I write. So these are all the drawings that I try to think beyond binary, in the sense beyond the binary of mind and body, beyond the binary of self and the social, or the outside and inside, objective, subject. This dilemma is always there. The dominance of binary in language is always there in our day-to-day interaction. So I always think beyond that, but I can't express that in text. So I use drawing. I use drawings in my research also. So basically, I am doing research on city. The drawing, you can see that it is linked to my field work. Like, I usually go to the field. I actually lived in Kochi for more than 2.5 years, and I lived there. I do photographs and I do videographs, and with that references I do the drawings.
Hi, myself Arunima. I'm from Kerala. I'm an artist by passion and a research scholar by profession. These two are my paintings. I mostly work with digital medium and sometimes with acrylic. I love both of styles. I feel like my art is an extension of my inner world. Sometimes it may be chaos, sometimes it may be calmness, but always searching for something. I have this huge obsession with the patterns like swirls. You can see in these pictures. I have obsession with such patterns. Yeah. So this painting is titled Eyes That Remember. It's about the collective memory, not only my only memory, it's like the collective memory. The eyes are not just watching something, it's carrying the weight of the memory, the ancestral memory actually. And this painting is titled as The Metamorphosis of Stillness. Like, I don't feel like the stillness is not the absence of movement. It's at the stillness also there is something like a transformation is brewing.
I'm Rosie Singh and I'm an artist based in Noida. My art journey started from a very young age. I always had an interest in drawing and painting, and which led me to join the College of Art at Delhi, where I did my BFA and specialized in painting. And I continued as an artist but took up a job in a related field. I worked as a illustrator, animator, and currently I'm working as an animator full time. But I continued to do my art practice alongside. This painting over here, it's called Entrapments, and it's in charcoal, conti, and soft pastels. And this painting is a medium for me to express emotions related to a need for freedom, the complexity of relationships, and feeling trapped and yet wanting to get out and yet not being able to. So this web of chaotic lines in which characters seem to be in a dream state is somewhat what we all mostly find ourselves in. And if you look closely, there are a lot of intricate textures and lines, and it tends to draw the viewer in and lets the viewer find their own moments in the painting and maybe get a little lost in it. The second artwork is a woodcut print. Woodcut is probably the most basic form of printmaking, which just involves carving a piece of wood, putting ink, and taking a stamp of it on paper. It's the most primitive form of printing, but an artist can take it to a different level altogether, and that's what I try to do in this work, where I carved out textures, lines, and forms to express a story of a grim landscape and Mother Earth gasping for breath in this time where air pollution is such an important topic which affects everyone. This is a print that expresses that. And it is a medium which is very intense physically, and it's a long process but immensely satisfying.
Yeah, hi, this is Ayushmati. I'm from Noida. My hometown is Odisha. So basically, I'm a software engineer and I am very much fond of art. So when I was 2 years old, from that time only I started my art journey. So when everyone is learning to write letters, first started drawing a portrait. Actually, it's unbelievable, I know, but everyone used to say me that you should learn letters, but I just love art. I started drawing at first. It was my first pencil. It was my first when I touch the paper or this slate. So from that time I won many inter and intra school competitions. Also I gained the name of state level artist. And then after with busy schedule and for my career, I just left art for some time. But again, from God blessings, I find solutions at the COVID. So I started my painting and sketching professionally after COVID. So I got me so many commissions art, and basically I'm a portrait artist. So these two are my small paintings, some small works, matches to the theme. So the upper one is the art by charcoal and graphite on paper. So it's a realistic art, and as you can see, it's a hyper realistic art. I try to capture the stillness of the object and the detailing and the movement, that the motive of this art. And next is it's a soothing painting, you can say. And when you in a hectic life, when you look into this painting in a off dim light, it's so light. So in a dim light, when you see this painting, you will feel the breezy air, the flowing water, the boat, the autumn vibe. So it will take you to that moment, and it will soothe you inside. So that's the concept of this painting.